And we're back with another GoMining video, of course. And obviously it's about MinerWars. This one is basically just a video explaining how I've started my own clan, which is Astro. At the moment we have 3 people in it, me and 2 others, MarketCipher and Fidel. I just realized that now. That's hilarious. And my plan is I just have it open to the public at the moment. We're going to try to do 1% better each day. Everyone's free to join. Try to boost if you can. If we could get at least into the top 10 or 20 clans, just normally, at least pulling in 10 to 15 blocks a week, that is a perfect situation. All we need is just low terahash to high block wins, and we will be seeing rewards like I saw in the previous week, which is $260 in pool rewards and a payout of $200. Not exactly sure why it double charged me. It probably was because I was in 2 different clans. It charged me in GoMining fees for the first clan, and then the second clan it charged me in Bitcoin. That's perfectly okay. As you can see, my mining used to be. So I did a week of solo mining by myself, just a single clan. I didn't win a block, but I had a previous block from another clan, so I only got paid out $1.50. The regular pay I was getting was about $30 to $50, we'll call it, around that range. But because I ended up switching to a clan where we had low terahash and high block wins, I made about 6 times my regular pay, the regular payout. So that's what my plan is for this. I know the first few weeks are probably going to be slow, probably going to be like this. Hopefully they would look like this. But eventually, if we get enough people in the clan and we actually start boosting, we can win some blocks, even if it's just 1x blocks. A nice 4x block would be perfect, especially if you get a personal win and you get that GMT to yourself. That's a few $100s extra just for you. You could initially get your ROI back within a year rather than a few years. And I know everyone likes 100% ROI in 1 year rather than the stock market with their nice little 10 to 11% annually. Feel free to join. I do have a Telegram group. It is t.me/astro. It is open to the public. Get ready to win some solo blocks. Everyone likes these personal payments, and I'll just show you. I won a personal one, 263 GMT. Another one was a double block, 354 GMT. Together, $320. And that's what I use to turn on reinvesting into the service, the maintenance fees with GoMining. That's why my ROI is currently at around 44.5%, I believe it was. I just know that's way better than the stock market already, considering I have not been mining for more than a year. I've been mining less than a year. I'm already at about 40% return for a single year, and that is with GoMining. It could be higher if you join the Astro Clan. Message me on Telegram, send a message into the comments, just let me know what your thoughts are, and we'll see you soon.